Ready?
Texas state parks offer some of the most diverse recreational activities people can enjoy. Whether you're mountain biking at Big Bend, to just having a family picnic while the kids enjoy one of our cutting-edge playscapes.
There's the jay over there on the feeder again.
Oh, yeah.
We have wildlife viewing.
Oh, man, tons of birds.
From birds to gators to bison.
That bend look good, girls, right down there?
And it's that diversity that makes Texas State Park special.
There you go. Way to go, Evelyn.
If I had you, Governor Neff, like you got me,
Governor Patt Neff in 1923 had a vision, a Texas that was dotted with parks across the state.
1923.
And he also knew that these parks were here for the public good now and forever.
Good morning, how are you today? Good to see you.
100 years later, we have 1,400 dedicated employees that are still doing that exact same thing.
All right, here we go. Park programs are a really great way to get your kids involved in nature. And you just want to tap it on the bottom. Nice, good one.
Whoa. That's cool.
The kids are getting to really experience it for themselves, really get to explore at their own pace, and just see what's out there.
My name is Ranger Ted. The Alligator Workshop is this really fun hands-on activity where I'll have a baby alligator. Yep, go ahead.
Cool. Wiggle.
So it's a really great opportunity for these families, these kids, these adults. Here, go ahead and feel the belly. To be able to go home and tell everyone, I touched and pet a baby alligator.
I got one. Get it. It's a big one?
Our mission to serve the current generations of Texans, but also set the stage for the future generations of Texans.
Oh, got it. Gotcha, little scoundrel.
Our Centennial Community Engagement Pass offers free entrance to any of those groups for people of color, people with mobility challenges, or people of a certain economic background.
They're coming here on the right side.
Our goal to reduce barriers, reaching out to people who have never been to state parks before and introducing them to the outdoors.
Oh, wow.
Oh, God.
That's gotta hurt.
Oldest son is 4.5. His name is Lazarus.
Our Texas Outdoor Family Program helps give people the knowledge and the comfort to go out and enjoy these very special places in a safe and enjoyable way.
Outdoors is for all ages, I guess.
We try to tell the stories that relate to all Texans. Telling the stories of enslaved people, of segregation, other sorts of difficult topics that maybe at one time in the past more avoided. We try to take those head on when they're appropriate in our parks.
We've invested in our trails to make them more user-friendly when it comes to people that need wheelchairs. We're being responsive to people with visual impairments by using technology and 3D advancements to make sure that they are welcomed and know that they have a place in our history.
Yeah, that's cool. So I'm imagining this is the ruins wall here then.
Partnerships are extremely important to us. We're partnering with the largest grocery store chain in Texas.
At H-E-B, our commitment to Texas extends beyond our own aisles to the miles and miles of Texas state parks. Find a park near you and learn more about our efforts at ourtexasourfuture.com.
And we're also partnering with minor league baseball teams, all in an effort to introduce Texas state parks to a new generation of Texans. Our commitment to serving all Texans is stronger now than it's ever been. Every team member and partner is dedicated to making state parks better and serving the public good now and forever.
Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Yeah, me too.
Me too.